How to recover hacked Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover if your Instagram account is hacked. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first step is to check for the recovery email from Instagram. Instagram usually sends your email what changed or something, or someone tried login in message or email to your registered address. So if you have received such kind of email, then they will find an option to revert this change immediately. So click on that option, and if it works, you can change your password and enable two-factor authentication in your Instagram. So that is to secure your account. And if you don't have such kind of email, the second option is to change your password. From there, you can open up Instagram application, and on the login screen, tap on forget password or get help login in. So once you're here, you can tap on forget password. Then you can enter your email or username. After that, you have to follow the on-screen instructions to recover or reset your password, and try to log in with your new password and check if that works out for you or not. And in case if you're already logged out and your password reset does not work, now you can get the official help. So open up Google in your device, and in the search bar, you could search for Instagram hacked. So from here, you can go to the second option that says help.instagram.com hacked Instagram account. So once you get to this kind of interface, you can scroll down a bit, and from here you can choose my Instagram account was hacked or someone else is using my account. So tap on the first option, scroll down a bit, and here you have further information. Then here tap on this link that says visit this piece at the top. That's gonna take you to this page. Here it says request Instagram support. So here you have to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions and you may be asked to submit proof of your identity such as selfie, holding a code sent by Instagram. Also make sure that you use your original email address used for your Instagram account. After that, check if that works out for you or not. If that does not work out for you, then make sure that your email was not hacked. You can change your email password and enable two-factor authentication for your email as well. So these are some of the options that will help you recover your hacked Instagram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.